Gaudet Electric Motor Repair Incorporated. Electrical work in Moncton shouldn't be shocking, either from a price or performance perspective. At Gaudet Electric Motor Repair Incorporated, our experienced electricians are top shelf and our services such as new installations, inspections, and lighting are all affordably priced. Dial 506-382-9595 to schedule your local visit. For more information, please visit our website, www.gaudetelectric.ca, or contact us through phone 506-382-9595. You can visit our office, 60 Waterloo St, Moncton, New Brunswick E1C 1A8. Gaudet Electric Motor Repair Incorporated.